Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in and I hope you guys are good today. Today I'm going to be sharing this yummy spinach and tuna sauce with you guys with boiled yam. And this is my yam. Already washed this yam. I'm going to cut the yam into round shape. You can cut your yam into any shape of your choice. Then I'm going to peel them, wash them. I'm going to lay it in my pot. Then add water and a little bit of salt. Put it on my stove to cook till it's completely soft. As that is busy, I'm going to be slicing my vegetable and I'm using tuna. I'm using canned tuna for this. So open the can. Voila, that is it. I already sliced my habanero. Now I'm slicing the bell peppers. And this is everything I'm going to be using for this. So now we're going to start, and I'm using the oil from the tuna, the canned tuna. That is it. Just take a little bit of the oil, heat it up a little bit, and I'm going to use it to fry my vegetable. Added onions, garlic and ginger paste, fry it for a couple of seconds. Add my habanero and tomatoes. Cook it 1 minute. Pour in salt, curry powder, and 1 stock cube. Add in some of the tuna. I'm not using everything, just adding some of it. Fry it together. 1 minute. Add in my spinach. Very easy dish, very easy and yummy. This sauce you can use for your rice, you can use for yam, even plantain dodo. So cover and let it cook for 1 minute, then it's ready. My yam is ready. Just sieve the water out. Eating time. And I hope you enjoy watching this video, and I hope you're gonna try this recipe. It's so yummy and very easy to put together. And thank you very much for joining, and I hope you try this recipe. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Love you guys. Bye.